Hello all, welcome to Smart Insight. This is Hahika. Children, have you ever seen the lines which are drawn on a globe? What are these lines? Yes, the latitudes and the longitudes. Children, the latitudes and the longitudes which are drawn on a globe is called grid. The network of latitudes and longitudes which are drawn on a globe is called grid. Today, I will teach you in detail about latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes. First subtopic is latitudes. The horizontal circle which goes to the middle of the globe is called equator. And the circles are drawn parallel to each in the north and in the south. And these circles are called latitudes. The word latitude comes from Latin word latitudo, meaning width. Here, these latitudes are expressed in degrees, minutes and seconds. Both latitudes and longitudes. These are expressed in degrees, minutes and seconds. In most of the atlas, we find only degrees. Minutes and seconds are not mentioned. Here, there are total number of latitudes are 180. Total number of latitudes are 180. See here, 0 degree latitude is equator, 1 degree, 2 degree. In that way, from equator to North Pole, there are 90 degrees. In the same way, in the south also, from equator 0 degree to South Pole, there are 90 degrees. Without counting 0 degree, there are 180 latitudes. Here, this equator makes globe into two equal halves. That is from equator to North Pole. Here, this part is called Northern Hemisphere. Northern Hemisphere. Hemi means half. Sphere means ball. Half ball. Northern Hemisphere. And in the same way, from 0 degree to South Pole is Southern Hemisphere. Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere. Here, there are no less than 0 degree latitudes and there are no greater than 90 degree latitudes. And 90 degree latitude of north and south are just points, not circles. And some of these latitudes are given special names. Let us see those. Towards the end of the video, I will teach you how to locate the important latitudes on the map, on the world map. The important latitudes. Here, some special names are given for the latitudes. Children, here, all these latitudes must be designated with north or south with N letter or S letter. That means the latitudes, the northern latitudes with N letter, the southern latitudes with S letter. But there is no designation for equator. For the equator, no need of north or south designation. Okay, coming to the important latitudes. This is known to you. 0 degree latitude is equator. 23.5 degrees north latitude is named as Tropic of Cancer. Children, here for the name of the places, name of these latitudes, please start writing with capital letters. 23.5 degrees north latitude is Tropic of Cancer. 66.5 degrees north latitude is Arctic Circle. Coming to the south, 23.5 degrees south latitude is named as Tropic of Capricorn. 66.5 degrees south latitude is named as Antarctic Circle. Children, these are important for the mapping skills and also for the bit paper point of view. For example, 23.5 degrees north latitude is dash, or for the objective type, for the multiple choice. What you have to write? The Tropic of Cancer. Another example, 66.5 degrees south latitude is dash. What you have to write? Antarctic Circle. Longitudes. Longitude word comes from Latin word longitudo, meaning length. Meaning length. Imagine this is a globe. Longitudes are the semicircles drawn from pole to pole, from north pole to south pole. Here, the longitude which passes through Greenwich in London is 0 degree longitude. Longitude is also known as meridian. 0 degree meridian also known as prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. So many countries try to fix the longitude which passes through their own territory as 0 degree longitude. But finally, England decided the longitude which passes through Greenwich as 0 degree longitude, because England was one of the powerful country during that time which ruled so many other countries in the world. Here, longitudes are the semicircles which goes east are the east longitudes, and this forms eastern hemisphere. Eastern hemisphere. Totally there are 360 longitudes. 360 longitudes from 0 degree to 180 degree, that is in the east, are eastern longitudes that forms eastern hemisphere. The longitudes which goes west are the west longitudes, and this forms as western hemisphere, that is from 0 degree to 180 degree longitudes. Here, the longitude which passes through Greenwich in London is 0 degree longitude. Exactly opposite to the 0 degree longitude is 180 degree longitude. 180 degree longitude which is opposite to the 0 degree longitude is anti-meridian. 180 degree longitude is anti-meridian. Finally, remember that children, the latitudes and the longitudes, these are the imaginary lines. What are the uses of latitudes and longitudes? The latitudes and longitudes are useful for the location of places and features of an earth surface, to know the climatic conditions of a particular region and in which direction we should go to reach it. That means to reach the destination, and useful to know the time. Coming to the world map, sometimes in some of the maps, here we cannot find these lines on the world map papers. So, you should able to draw these lines. What are these lines? Latitudes, important latitudes. Actually, these are circles on a plane surface. These are shown in the form of straight lines. Children, this is Africa, continent Africa. Through the middle of Africa, equator, that is 0 degree latitude, equator passes through the middle of Africa. 23.5 degrees north latitude, that passes through the north part of Africa and through the middle of India. Through the middle of India, the Tropic of Cancer passes. Coming to south, 23.5 degrees south latitude, that passes through the south part of Africa. That is Tropic of Capricorn, that passes through the middle of South America and also that passes through Australia. 66.5 degrees north latitude, that passes through Russia. This is Greenland, to the south part of Greenland. Arctic Circle passes. Coming to this, (66.5 degrees south latitude, that passes to the tip, that means to the north part of Antarctica. Antarctic Circle passes through the north part of Antarctica. This is about the location of important latitudes on a world map. I hope you are able to understand my teaching. So, please subscribe my YouTube channel to get immediate notification whenever we upload new videos, and press bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.